Okay, students, we're going to be doing constructions, and constructions is a very ancient math technique, almost an art form in which we're going to be using both a compass and a straight edge. We're going to be learning several different styles of constructions. In fact, we're going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 constructions today. And first we're going to start with the simplest, which is called a perpendicular bisector. As I give these instructions, the point here, that's going to be called the anchor point, and then this is going to be called our drawing point. So we're going to start with a perpendicular bisector. Take your anchor point and plant it at either end point. Open this up just past what looks like the midpoint. If you have a lock your compass just past the midpoint. And then when you use a compass, it's very important. You don't move a compass by dragging on the arms, both of them. You grab the toggle at the top, and it's a tilt and drag motion. Or you can also just drag by the anchor point. But you have to tilt a little and drag. So plant that anchor point, and we're going to do one sweeping arc right there. Okay, you can make it kind of light. It doesn't have to be dark. And you never erase your sweeping arcs when you're working with a compass, even when there's lots of them. They're going to come over to the same endpoint on this side without changing your distance and sweep. And if you look very carefully, you have 2 points of intersection, 1, 2. You want to line up your straight edge with those points of intersection. Now what you have drawn is called a perpendicular bisector. And so you need two notations. You need a right angle, and because that right there is a midpoint, you need the hatch marks to show the bisector. So this is called a perpendicular bisector. You do AB on the right on your own.